No, 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 don't
Do
push
not
him.
push your brother.
Don't push him, don't push him. Uh-oh, play with the red and white.
Hey, Berlin.
Declan.
Yeah, let's turn it
Declan,
again
you
so
do
that
this one.
Declan can play with the straight one. You play with the two curly ones. Can you move them up for him? You move the white one up?
Yeah, you do all the curly ones and he
worried.
can do the straight ones.
It's moving
That's good. Yeah, that's good. That's good, Declan. Berlin. That's the way.
Berlin, don't squish them together. Come over here and do the red one. Okay?
Can you push up the red ones on the curly one? I just don't think you're quite ready to do the curly Q one. You're gonna have to move a little bit, Declan. You're gonna have to move, baby.
Well, I mean, okay, that's normal. Why would you put his parents?
Oh! Pull him up, push him up. Oh, you're getting tired of pushing, aren't you?
No, he's just not quite close enough, and he's got his little feet stuck right in front of him.
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
Gotcha.
See, she got it going. Woo-wee. You can do that. That's the way. First time I saw one of those was at, I think we took the kids to the dentist office.
Mm-hmm.
And they had those at the dentist office. And I thought, I gotta get
I remember it
one of
at the doctor's office downtown, and it was...
Kids like to play with it.
Nope, now I think that's smart too.
Now, who is Marie or Carrie or whoever?
Carrie, she was one of her bridesmaids.
Okay.